Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into some profitable small manufacturing ideas. Perfect for Pakistan and other developing countries. These ventures are designed to be accessible, scalable, and impactful for aspiring entrepreneurs. First up, let's consider garment manufacturing. Pakistan's textile industry is already well established, providing a strong foundation for this business. Starting a small garment factory can be highly lucrative. You can focus on specific niches, like custom clothing for various occasions, school or corporate uniforms, or even exporting your products to international markets. The key to success here is quality, efficient production processes, and finding the right market for your specific product line. Don't underestimate the power of branding and marketing either. Next, food processing presents another promising avenue. With a rapidly growing population, the demand for processed foods is consistently high. Consider making a range of products, from popular snacks and savory spices to convenient packaged goods. You can start small, even from your home kitchen, provided you adhere to local regulations and ensure a clean and efficient workspace. Gradually expand your operations as your business grows. Ensure you meticulously follow all relevant food safety regulations and obtain necessary certifications. Another great idea is plastic recycling. Plastic waste is a significant environmental problem, but it also presents a significant business opportunity. You can collect plastic waste from various sources, process it using appropriate machinery, and sell the recycled plastic pellets or flakes to manufacturers. This venture effectively combines the potential for profit with a strong element of environmental responsibility and sustainability, making it a potentially attractive investment. Proper waste management and adherence to recycling standards are, of course, critical. Then there is soap and detergent production. These are essential household items, and there's always a consistent demand for them. Regardless of economic fluctuations, you can produce various soaps, detergents, and cleaning supplies. Consider formulating your products with natural ingredients and eco-friendly packaging to attract health-conscious consumers who are increasingly prioritizing sustainability and environmentally friendly options. This can give your brand a competitive edge. Let's not forget about furniture making. Simple furniture items like chairs, tables, and basic storage solutions are always needed in both residential and commercial settings. You can use locally sourced materials, thereby keeping production costs down and supporting local suppliers. Start with basic, functional designs, and as your business grows and your team's skills develop, you can expand your product range to include more intricate designs and specialized furniture items. Next, consider handicrafts. Pakistan has a rich heritage of handicrafts, offering a wealth of inspiration. Creating and selling handmade items like pottery, intricate jewelry, or traditional textiles can be highly profitable, especially when you focus on the unique cultural elements of your region. You can sell your products locally through artisan markets and shops, as well as online through e-commerce platforms and social media channels. Moving on, we have metal fabrication. Welding and metalworking skills are consistently in demand. You can create a variety of metal products, including gates, security grills, and other custom metalwork items. This business model can cater to both residential and commercial clients, offering diverse project opportunities. Safety is paramount, so ensure you have the necessary safety equipment and training. Another idea is candle making. Candles are used for various purposes, from religious ceremonies and festive celebrations to creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for home decor. Experiment with different scents, colors, and designs to attract a wide customer base. And consider offering specialty candles for specific occasions. Finally, we have paper product manufacturing. Making notebooks, packaging materials, or other paper-based products can be a viable and profitable venture. Source your paper locally, whenever possible, to reduce costs and minimize transportation expenses. Consider offering customized paper products to cater to specific customer needs. These small manufacturing ideas offer significant potential in Pakistan and other developing countries. Remember to do thorough market research to assess demand. Create a comprehensive and realistic business plan. And, importantly, start small and scale up gradually as your business grows. Good luck with your entrepreneurial endeavors.